together, let's welcome MS Dhoni on stage to speak a few words. A very, very warm welcome to you, sir. One question before you go there. Welcome to Sumadura Group. You're part of our family. How do you feel about being part of our family, a new member, family member?
To start off, I would like to start off with something else. Okay, how many of you have been living in Bangalore for more than 5 years or 10 years? Okay, I'm really jealous of you guys because of the weather. I know there's a lot of traffic, but there are pros and cons to everything, but the weather over here is just superb, and it just gets me back to the memory when I first time actually came to Bangalore. And it was a camp that was supposed to attend. It was a wicket keeper's camp. Got off at the wrong railway station. I didn't know how to reach the KSCA that time. So very eventful. But yes, it's a fantastic place. And all the cricketers, not only me, they just love coming over here. And one of the main reasons, apart from the lovely people, is the weather, because you can train a lot harder over here. And even in the worst of summers, it's still quite pleasant. And it's a pleasure to be back here. And to start it off, it's a real pleasure being here and being part of the Sumadura family. It's a 20-year-old company, and you don't run a company for 20 years if you don't believe in something. And if you see what we firmly believe in is commitment, integrity, and hard work. And if you see these three things, it's not only for a business. In sport also, these are the three things we keep emphasizing on. We want youngsters to actually be very committed to what they want to achieve in life. Hard work, I'm still finding a substitute for hard work, which we have not been able to find. So I'm hoping that someday I would able to find something that substitute hard work. But these are the core essence, that really helps you become what you are. And the company believes in that, and for the last 20 years, it has earned a lot of goodwill by delivering the projects on time. And when it comes to real estate, I always felt one of the major challenges was to deliver the projects on time. With all the different kinds of problems and everything happens, usually the project runs for over 2.5 years, sometimes even for 3.5 years. So a lot of things change, which of course has an impact on the timelines and all. But Sumadura, they have been able to achieve close to 95% of customer satisfaction, which is great when it comes to this line. And I think the company is not only known to provide great work to the customers, but it has also been voted as a great workplace to work in. So we actually take care of people working on either side. Of course, without the customers, we are nothing. Without our employees, who contribute and who are in the back end doing all the hard work, it's difficult for us to really achieve, what the company has done over the past 20 years. And when it comes to the CSR, the two things that the company has really emphasized upon, one is education for the underprivileged children, which I feel is very good because you're empowering them to really achieve their dreams. And the second is hygiene. So I would like to add a third, slowly somewhere where they'll push in a bit of fund for the grassroots level sport, be it any sport, depending on where we are. Because I personally always felt sport teaches you a lot in life. It teaches you how to deal with the losses, the failures, and at the same time, how to behave when you are successful. You need to show a lot of respect to the opposition or the contender you are competing with, but at the same time, be humble in life, enjoy what you are supposed to, and have respect for everybody around you. So that's about my association with the company. It's a great day for me, coming back to Bangalore. I've mostly come here for cricket. This must be amongst the only few times that I'm not here for cricket. So I don't really have that stress of, going on the field and performing, Some of the IPL games have had less stress because, right before the start, of course, Chennai and Bangalore game are always the big games, but the forecast was like, okay, it's going to rain completely. The game will be washed. So that was the only time when I was here for cricket, but there was no pressure on me. But overall, good to be back here. And, with this association, I'm hoping that we take the company forward, but at the same time, we try to help our customers, make happy homes for themselves. Because, when you get a new job for yourself and the moment you settle in life, the first thing you want is a home, because that's where the peace of mind lies. So, pleasure to be here, enjoy the afternoon, and thanks for having me over.